Hi, this is Dr. Priyanka Thakre from Neuro Skin Hair and Laser Clinic, and today we're tackling something which we face every day, which is pollution and how it damages our hair and our skin adversely. Pollution is something which we face every day. The reason it affects our hair and skin is because pollution contains a lot of microparticles elements, which is exhaust fumes, dust. Firstly, we'll talk that how it affects our skin. Pollution forms a layer on our skin which makes our skin clogged up pores, which adversely affects our acne, and it damages our skin if you have an existing acne because it gets trapped in our skin. Secondly, it accelerates aging. It forms a layer on your skin which makes your skin look very pigmented. Secondly, how it affects our health is it destroys our cuticle layer of our hair, which makes it prone to damage and breakage and also split ends. It makes our scalp greasy and our hair dry, which is not everyone wants it. So we'll talk how to handle it, how to handle the pollution for our skin also and also for our hair. How you can protect your skin. Firstly, you can cleanse your skin in the morning and after you come from outside at night also. You can either wash your face. Your skin is not just your face but your entire body, so you can just take a quick shower. You have to double cleanse it in the morning and at night. You have to exfoliate your skin 2 or 3 times a week, but don't over scrub your skin. Use an antioxidant cream for your face, a mild moisturizer for your body. Also use sunscreen, and sunscreen is not just you put it today and for once and you can just can't let it be the entire day. You can use it 2 or 3 times a day. Even when you're outside, you have to remind yourself to put a sunscreen on your face, on also your body. How you can protect your hair is you have to clean your scalp every day but not excessively. You have to keep your scalp clean to protect it from dandruff, excess buildup of pollution, or to protect from seborrheic dermatitis, which is a condition. You can also use mild clarifying shampoo, which you can use every day. Also, you can add leave-in serum in your routine. Other things which you can do is protect your body from within by adding nutritional factors. So if you have any deficiency, it can cover it up. Add vitamin E, zinc, biotin, and all other micronutrients in your diet. Keep your body hydrated. Manage your stress. Have 6 to 7 hours of sleep, uninterrupted sleep every night. Avoid smoking and also drinking alcohol, as it can damage your skin and hair very quickly. If you have any questions, you can ask us in the comments and we'll fulfill your questions. Thank you.